Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful fascinator with bow design on it. If you are watching my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe, turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, share for others to benefit. We appreciate our returning subscriber. God bless you all. These are the materials we are using for this fascinator. This is heart wire. You are going to fold it round. You can use paper sellotape to cover the edge, or thread to cover the edge. The measurement is 35 inches. 35 inches. Then you make use of your bias. This is bias. You can make use of material. You have to cut it in bias size. You have your hot gum and the net you are using. You can make use of UHU gum as well if you don't have hot gum. So let's start. You are going to apply your gum so that you'll be able to fold your bias round it. You are going to fold it around the heart wire. If you don't know how to fold it, you can watch it and watch it again so that you can get it. So you apply little gum at the edge, then fold your bias round it and hold it down for a while so that it will gum down. Then you start wrapping your bias over the heart wire. You wrap it neatly over the heart wire. So this is what I'm going to do to the end of it. I'm going to wrap it round. If you are watching this video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have many videos to watch, to learn. You can learn it at your own pace. So at the end of it, you are going to apply little gum to gum the edge of your bias to the heart wire. Can you see it? So that is what I did. You are going to hold it down for a while to gum it to the heart wire. So that's exactly what I did. Can you see it now? So after wrapping it, you are going to take your net. Then you cover the heart wire with your net. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to hold it tightly. Make sure you pick all the edges of the net so that at the end it won't give you any stress. So you arrange it well, hold it tightly. Then the more you hold it tight, the more it gives you shape. So the more you hold the net tight, the more it gives you shape. Can you see that the is folding? It's not a round shape again. It's like oval shape. So this is it. It depends on what you want, whatsoever you want. If you want it flat, you are not going to hold the net tightly. So as you are holding the net tightly, it will give you shape. So you tie it down with thread and needle. Sorry, with thread. Just tie it down with thread. After getting the shape you want, you tie it down with thread. Afterward, you are going to cut off the excess net. Can you see it? I'm trying to cut off the excess net. You just have to be careful so that you will not cut off the where you tie with your thread. If not, it will give you issue. You have to start all over again. You might not even be able to start all over again. You might need to get another net because the net will be short. So you just have to be careful when you are cutting off the net so that you will not cut off the thread. You understand? So this is it. That's where we are going to place our bow. So the next thing is to work on the bow. So this is 9 by 6 inches for the Ankara, 9 by 6 inches. So the black material is 10 by 6 inches folded into two. Then I sew it on the wrong side. After sewing, I turn it inside out. So afterward, you put your 3 inches crinoline. 3 inches crinoline. That's what I use. Then you locate the center, put the two edges together, then you run loose stitches or you tie it together by pulling it together. Just look at the way I'm doing it. I'm running loose stitches. I put the two edges together, then I run loose stitches, I pull together. Can you see it? Then use the thread to tie it down. So afterward, I'm going to do the same thing to the second to the Ankara. You can cut the thread and run loose stitches, make a bow before you place it on top of each other. So you run loose stitches on it as well. Then you tack the two together, which I'm doing right now. I'm tacking the two together. Make sure you tack it firmly. Let it be firm. Let it be firm. So the two bows are ready. I'm placing it on top of it. I'm placing it on the rough part to cover that rough part where we tie. So that is where I'm placing it to cover the rough part. So you are going to tack it firmly. Let it be firm. Let it be firm. So can you see it? You tack it together. You can as well place your Alice band as well and tack it together at once. You can do that. So make sure you tack it firmly on the net. So the next thing is to place your applique to cover that rough side work. I've gummed the applique down to it. Then it's either you make use of your of rubber band, sorry, elastic band, not rubber band, elastic band, or your Harley's band. So I'm making use of Harley's band, and I'm going to use my thread and needle to tack it down to the net. So you just have to be careful. Let your work be neat. Then make sure you you are careful when you are tacking it down, so that you will not pick the bow as you are tacking it down. I said something that you can as well tack it down as you are tacking tack the Alice band as you are tacking the bow. You can do that as well. So the the fascinator is ready. Just cut a piece of cloth to cover the thread on Alice band. Can make use of your any material to cover that side. Then you put your gum on it and gum it down. Just gum it down. So we are through making the fascinator. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to support us. Like, share for others to benefit. We appreciate our returning subscriber. We want to see you more. God bless you. Fortitude Shammah Crafts loves you. Bye.